So, I bought a fucking bird feeding station. I'm gonna get evicted. So all the shopping is done and I'm going home. Today's episode, how do you do internet? Welcome. Today I'm having a day off. Tomorrow I'm going into the theatre to do this week's laundry, mending and ironing and, I don't know, shopment, I guess. So, I don't have to do anything today, but I had to go buy bird feed and what else? I had to clean the apartment, cook at least 2 meals. I really have to buy that trip to London and book the hotel. I really have to do that, maybe this week. So, yeah, follow me. The weather outside is glorious, so I'm going to go out now while the sun is still out and buy that bird feed and maybe some Christmas decorations meant. I don't know. People on the internet, let's go. I'm, of course, listening to a podcast. This is the podcast I'm listening to. Thought I might be buying some groceries, but I haven't got any room for it. I bought too much stuff. I forgot about food. So, I bought a fucking bird feeding station. I'm gonna get evicted. It's 200 Swedish crowns, which is about $20 or £20, give or take some pounds and dollars and crowns. And it's this sort of thing with these things and one spare. Good. So this is me unboxing the feeding station, le station de feeding, because I speak French like a Englishman. Oh. This might be better than I thought it would be. These are actual made from iron. I thought they would be plastic, but they're not. So this might last a few years. Okay, so that was really easy to assemble, and I think the birds will love it. I think I have to get an assortment of nuts and stuff because they're all getting the same kind of. Well, this is all about attracting the squirrels. Dun 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 dun. Oh, it's out again for some food shopment. Well, grocery shopment. Shopishment. Je le main du. Bye. So it's been 15 minutes and not a single bird, and I say, fuck that bird feeding. I'm taking it down now. Oh, there was one bird, but when I looked at it, it flew away, so that's that. Maybe it's me, because I'm dressed like a scarecrow. Weekday for the really young at heart. Mamma mia, here I go again, out into the semi-freezing weather, looking snazzer. The weather outside is delightful. It's not very cold or frightful, but if there is one thing I want, no. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I saw on Instagram that there's a new hamburger place opened at Liljeholmens Galleria, which is Liljeholmens Mall, which is the mall closest to where I live. I can back that. I buy all my food there. But anyway, there's supposed to be a new hamburger joint. I can't find it anywhere. After much looking, I can conclude it's not on the top floor. It's not on the middle floor. What about the bottom floor, you say? Here I am at the bottom floor, looking around for a new hamburger joint, speaking like I think some kind of gangster would speak. Hello. So this, although it looks lovely, is not it. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. This is not it, I think. Now I googled and it might not be in the mall, it might be outside. So I'm going outside. Come with me. What's funny is that I don't even feel weird talking to myself anymore. Usually I sort of, at the beginning when I was speaking out in public on my Instagram story, I was sort of like self-conscious, but now I'm not. Burgers. What I found? Bastard burgers. Well, I have to try it. The only reason I'm trying it because I read that you can get a vegan hamburger there. So I had to try it. The more vegan food you buy at regular restaurants, the more vegan food they will bring in. So look at that. That was really, really good. It was spicy, and I think it was oomph, so it was more like pulled pork than a burger, but really great. Vegan greatness. Only here. Off to buy groceries for things that I have actually got to cook. It's weird that no one looks at me when I'm talking to you on Instagram story. Maybe people are so used to. So today I will be buying food for chickpea patties and what's that? Then some cauliflower balls. All the shopping's done and I'm going home. Home where the heart is, well, no, where I live. Now, time for some coffee before I really start working. Breaking news. So I got this text from this firm called Schenker. They said, we got, the text said, we got this package for you. And I thought, what? And I thought, as we all did, oh, someone saw my Instagram story and wanted to send me something, but that was not the case. And then I thought, oh, yes, I ordered some t-shirts 2 years ago and they never arrived. Could this be it? It turns out it's the laundry detergent that I ordered last week that arrived. And they tried to leave it at work and they couldn't get to work, so they're going to try again tomorrow. My life. Oh, I got a Christmas tree. Pink. No, lilac. Lovely, lovely in lilac. Christmas tree with a gherkin. Christmas. So I think it's time to start dinner. I've been editing some videos, put them up on my IGTV channel. Now I'm gonna do some deep frying. So here's a tip for you. I got this sort of, I don't know, what do you call this? Bag? No, not bag. Basket. This is why a basket. Anyway, before cooking a recipe of something I haven't cooked before, I sort of gather all my ingredients, put them in this one, so I know that I have all the ingredients, and then I can easily sort of move this thing around. So these call for cauliflower. So I'm listening to a podcast while making these cauliflower balls that I deep fry. So they look really interesting, right? I mean, look at that. Does that not look... But I think I should have had a salad, right?
At sixes and sevens with you. Don't cry.